I have found my new camera look. How about that? Sexy. With headphones? Without headphones? Let's do it with headphones. What is up, YouTube? Today, I was going to make just like a flight edit today, and then after I got back and I was looking at the footage, I was like, damn, this sucks. But now I'm here to make excuses on why I suck, alright? So I went out today with the Jumper T16 for the first time. I left the Tyrannus here. I didn't even take it with me. I'm like, I'm going all in on this sucker. Well, I didn't realize that the gimbals, they feel great, okay? But the throw's a lot of different. You know, there's a lot of difference in the throw. It's not, they're kind of short and everything. So I thought, crap. I started adjusting my rates and everything. So for the first 3 or 4 packs, I was just trying to like figure out what the hell's going on. So then it got to the point to where I just put my rates back to where I normally have them, and I started doing expo on the radio, and all I did was put 15% expo on the yaw, and that pretty much not fixed it, but it felt good enough to like I could just start ripping. So what y'all are going to see here in a minute is actually pretty much the last pack of the day when I finally got it what I felt like was dialed in. But I also wanted to quickly show you guys the new splash screen I got on here. Let me see if I can fire up for you guys.
Welcome to FPV.
Heck yeah, I got that TAC logo on there. Check that out. And then I got a picture of my motorcycle on there. It's a little washed out. Sorry, the lighting is. I'm trying something new, some new lighting. But I got a picture. Bring it back up. I got a picture of my quad. I know y'all probably can't make this out, but this is a picture that I took and put on there. And it's called the TAC edition. Can I rotate it a little bit so y'all can see it? Let's try to get it all the way up there. There's a picture of my drone. Right there. And it says TAC edition. And that's my motorcycle. And there's my throttle. Why not? You know, so I can do like stick cams, and y'all can see that I don't fly with my throttle wide open all the time. So we're going to keep an eye out for that. So anyway, here goes the flight footage starting now.